Okay, this is the latest debug video. I'm just logging on. I will be checking a number of the things regarding logon this week. This is just the basic functions starting with the bugs. When I click way out, you'll notice it does not do an address match. If I zoom in and click again, I still do not get an address match. If I try to choose uh, a address that's preset or type one in and hit the hour or the spyglass, it still doesn't work. This is corrected by hitting the refresh, and then if I click again, it does an address match. So that's not unusual at all on the first time when you log in. Even if I do a address match over the other information, it then works. So I'm going to go to start researching. Occasionally, when you choose a new search, which I'm going to do now, I'm going to pick our same area and hit start researching. Occasionally, these from about census on down does not show up. It's very intermittent and very rare. I don't know if you want to try to fix it now. Right now, none of the VR data is working, none of the radius data. I just think somehow a connection to the database got lost or something is not set right. The rest of the icons appear to be working correctly. Going to just load some information. Base maps are working. Right now, live events are not working. I could show you that on another website, but we are not seeing any of the fires. I'll just zoom way out. And we should see fires around this area, California, Utah. There's still some burning, but no live events are taking place as far as I can tell. Uh, so that's something we would want corrected. I will close this up. I'm going to go over to project data. And I'm also going to mention a few minor things. If they, by minor, I mean if it takes more than 15 minutes to fix, don't do it. When we click on these menu items, we would definitely like the whatever they are on to be much more pronounced. Change it to blue or red or something and make it bold. If that takes more than a very short amount of time, don't worry about it for now. I'm going to upload information here. Uh, when I go to VR, just going to add some data here. Let's get the closest distance closest feature. I'm going to use the fast food file. I'm going to call it close fast food. Okay, that works. And by the way, I'm just noticing this now. The subject line is not in there, and I'm not sure why. Let's see if it's, oh, there it is. Okay. So let's see if I added it for the subject. Okay. This is a bug I didn't see before. I noticed that we have to warn the user or do something about this, that if they add to the file without making it a master table, it will add the information and it'll skip it for the subject. So that's something we have to be aware of, that we might want to say, have before you do anything to a table, that it that you have to select it as a master table. The second thing is I just added something to this file. Let's add another one. Uh, let's say fast food. We'll say fast food underscore 2 miles. Okay, it does add it for the subject, but you'll notice that this is intermittent also. I should have that indicator at the top that this table has changed and that we should save it. Also, when I did have that and I was able to save it, it did not save. I'd go to the data file, open it up in Excel, and it would not have the changes in there. So with that, I'm going to stop this video and we'll pick up another one shortly.